Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I want to say thank you very much to everyone that subscribed to my channel. We have just hit 7,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. I really appreciate all the support. Now to celebrate, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Now this giveaway was announced on one of my community posts. So do keep a lookout because every now and then I'm going to do giveaways on my community posts, not just on videos. So do keep a little lookout on my community posts. Now I've done a community post a couple of weeks ago and I said that if you're subscribed to the Stack Collector and the Silver Stacker, please confirm on the post and I will do a draw and someone will win 1 ounce of silver. Now because it was a community post, not as many people saw it as they would if I announced it on a video. So I quite like the fact that it's a smaller giveaway because when I do my giveaways on videos, it tends to go to people that are just sort of searching for hashtag giveaway and they're kind of searching for giveaways. They leave a comment and then they move on. So it's quite nice that this was done on a community post because it means that it's a smaller giveaway. And a lot of these names, as you'll see in a minute, are names of people that have been around near enough, some of them from the beginning of this channel. And a lot of you will recognize many of these names here. There's some very well-known names of people that comment on many of my videos and they show a lot of support to other people's videos also. So it's really nice that this is going to be a bit of a smaller giveaway. I'm not sure exactly how many people are entered. Let me have a quick count. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So like I said, it's a smaller giveaway, so there's more chance of one of you winning today's prize. And today's prize is perched nicely on this chair. And it is a 2023 1 ounce silver Krugerrand. Really nice coin. It's in this plastic since it arrived, so it hasn't been handled or anything like that. I'm going to be folding all these up now. As you can see, it's Mrs. 365's handwriting because my handwriting is atrocious. So that's why I got her to handwrite these for me. And I'm going to fold them all up now, pop them in this Duvel glass. Now, for those of you that haven't tried Duvel before, it's like a 7%, I believe. It might be more, it might be slightly less. 7 point something percent, I think it is. Really strong beer. I don't often drink them, but when I do, it's a nice treat and it only takes 1 or 2 and you can really feel it. So yeah, nice looking glass I thought for this giveaway. Let's set up the camera. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Mrs. 365 to head in. And she will be picking a lucky winner to receive this prize. So let's start folding these up. I'm going to fold them in half and then I'm going to fold them again. And like I said, I'm going to pop them in there. Good luck to everyone that entered. Thank you very much for everyone that entered. I thought it was quite a cool way to do a giveaway because I was asking people to subscribe to the Stack Collector and the Silver Stacker, who are both kind of smaller YouTube channels. They're both up and coming YouTube channels. They both put a lot of effort into their videos. They both spend a lot of time creating content. And I think it's nice, I've mentioned this many times before, I think it's very nice to support the smaller YouTube channels because until I started making YouTube videos myself, I didn't realize how much effort and time you actually put into making a video. I used to kind of see people that was doing well on YouTube and had lots of followers and lots of kind of interactions. And I used to think, oh, that would be quite cool to have kind of a community and everything like that. But you don't realize how much effort goes into it. Now I film minimum 1 video a day, sometimes 2 or 3 videos a day. And it's not just the filming, you've got to edit them, you've got to upload them, you've got to kind of promote them with the hashtags and the tags and all the rest of it. And it is quite a long commitment, a big commitment really to run a YouTube channel. So I really do respect the smaller YouTubers that are just starting out and the amount of time and effort people put into their channels. So that is the reason I did the giveaway the way I've done it. I asked people to subscribe to 2 smaller channels. Both of those channels have supported me massively over the last few months as well. So I thought it's nice to give back. And I thought everyone's a winner here really, because the Stack Collector and the Silver Stacker gain subscribers. You guys watching gain a new channel to watch videos on and appreciate if you like their content. And also someone wins an ounce of silver. So yeah, everyone's a winner really. Last one. Right, so they're all in there like that. Let's move this a little bit closer so you can see the prize. Switch it around a little bit to make it a little bit easier when Mrs. 365 comes in. There we go. Right, I'm going to go and get her now. I'm just going to have a quick sip of my whiskey. I'm actually celebrating a couple of things today. So I'm celebrating us hitting 7,000 subscribers, which, like I said, is a huge landmark to reach. I'm also celebrating, now this is kind of like a personal thing that I've just come back from. I went to the dentist. Now, I always put off going to the dentist because I'm always get a little anxious about going, because I never know what work's going to be needed, how much it's going to cost, and just kind of the whole thought of going there as well. It's just a bit kind of off-putting. It's one of them things that you're not forced to do, so it's easy to put off. And I moved house around about 10 years ago now. So I moved away from where I used to go to my local dentist when I was a child. So I had that kind of added pressure as well of finding a dentist during the lockdown and everything like that. It was very, very hard to sign up to dentists as well. I don't know what it's like in the country that you currently live in, but over here in the UK, it was very, very hard to get on the waiting list. Everyone was closing their waiting lists and all the rest of it. So yeah, it took me a good few months to actually get seen, and it'd been 15 years since I'd gone to the dentist. So I was, like I said, really anxious, and I went in today, and I literally just got back from there. I went in and I told the guy, the dentist, I said to him, look, it's been 15 years since I've last had a checkup, so I am a bit anxious about this. And he was absolutely brilliant. He checked all my teeth, he did an x-ray also, and he said that I'm actually shocked that it's been 15 years since you last came to a dentist and you actually don't need any fill-ins. So I'm currently 35 years old and I still haven't got a single fill-in, which I think is quite a good achievement. I don't do anything special. I don't even floss. I just brush my teeth in the morning and before I go to bed. And to be told that I don't need any work doing after 35 years and after 15 years of not going to the dentist, I thought was a big achievement. Plus, while I was in the waiting room, that was when I hit 7,000 subscribers. So I was sitting in the waiting room being really anxious. I had 6,999 subscribers, and just before my name got called, it ticked over to 7,000 subscribers. So yeah, it was a bit of a surreal experience really, to be sitting in the dentist feeling anxious, but at the same time wanting to celebrate that we had just hit 7,000 subscribers. Then I had the appointment and they told me, like I said, I didn't need any work. So yeah, I went straight to the pub after, I got myself a beer, and now I've got home, I'm having a whiskey, and I thought what better time to do this giveaway when the day is going well. So I'm going to pause it now quickly while I get Mrs. 365 and then we'll do the draw. Right, so Mrs. 365 is here to do the draw.
Okay, here we go. Okay.
You just got one.
Yeah, just one.
So the winner of the 1 ounce Krugerrand is... Where's he going to focus? Hot-headed Joel. Haha. So well done, mate. Thanks very much for entering. Let me know your postal address via email and I will get this coin over to you as quick as possible. Thanks to everyone else that entered. As always, thanks for all the support and I hope you have a nice day.